Students, today we are going to start with another chapter. It is chapter number 9, Madam Rides the Bus, written by Valia Kannan. Okay, now come to, before you read, in this sensitive story, yes, this one is a sensitive story, okay, and 8-year-old girl's first bus journey into the world outside her village, and that is going to be the first bus journey of the 8-year-old girl, okay, outside her village. Is also her induction. Induction means introduction, okay. So also her induction into the mystery of life and death, okay. Now mystery of life and death is going to be introduced to her for the very first time. She is going to experience the mystery of life and death. She sees the gap between our knowing that there is death, okay, we all know there is death, and our understanding of it, okay. Knowing and understanding are two different things, okay. The girl, 8-year-old girl, when she moves out of her house, she is going to know about the reality of that, and she is going to understand it, okay. Now let's start the first part of the story, Madam Rides the Bus, okay. There was a girl named Valiamai, okay. There was a girl named Valiamai, who was called Vali for short, okay. We will call Vali. She was 8 years old and very curious about things, okay. She was 8 years old, and you have noticed the girl of that ages or children of that age, they are a bit curious to know different things. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house, okay. Pastime means activity, favorite activity. So her favorite pastime was standing in front of the doorway of her house, okay. Standing at the doorway of her house, watching what was happening in the street outside, and outside her house she can notice the street. On the street people are going coming like that, watching what was happening in the street outside. There are no playmates of her own age on her street. She had no friend, and this was about all she had to do, okay. And you know, then if there is no one to play with you, okay, no mates, no friend, then what you do, you just watch here and there, okay. So that is what she had to do when she had no friends in the street. But for Vali, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. So watching what is happening on the street is really as enjoyable as playing any other games. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experience, okay. Watching over the street gave her many new and beautiful experience. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town, okay. So she used to watch what is happening there on the street, but the most beautiful thing and enjoyable thing for her was the bus travel or passes nearby her house, okay. So the most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour, every hour. Okay, so it passed through her street each hour, once going to the town. Okay, once going to the town, and after 1 hour coming from the town. So it passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. The sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passengers. Every time when the bus passes her house, okay, she can notice new passengers inside it. Was a source of unending joy for Valli. Okay, and this was the source of unending joy for Valli, happiness for Valli. Day after day, she watched the bus, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head. Okay, day after day, every day she used to watch the bus coming and going, and a small wish came into her head, mind, and grew there, and it also grew there. She wanted to ride on the bus. That was the small wish. Okay, that she wanted to ride bus, even if just once, even if for once, but she would like to ride the bus. That is the wish. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Okay, that wish grew stronger and stronger, and overwhelming desire, now quite emotional about it. Okay, she wants it at any point. Valli would stare wistfully. Okay, wistfully means but longingly, means lovingly. Okay, so Valli would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Okay, at the street corner when the bus stops, she watched new people, means getting off, the new people getting on. Their faces would kindle. Kindle means but create. So their faces would kindle in her longings. Longings, so her desire. So her faces would create in her desire, dreams and hopes. Okay, and by watching that, she would dream about and she would wish about. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights of the town to her, Valli would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. Okay, so if one of her friends would tell about her bus journey and narrate about new place, new town, so she would be jealous and would speak in English, proud, proud. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word. Okay, she used to tell proud, proud. She used to shout proud and proud, proud. But neither her friend nor she understand the meaning of the word, but they used it often as a slang expression of disapproval. Okay, so they used to tell about their disapproval. Okay, about telling that word proud, proud. They don't know about the meaning. Over many days and months, Valli listened carefully to conversation between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus. Okay, for days and months, she used to hear, she used to listen carefully about what the people are talking about the bus journey. Okay, between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus. And she also asked a few discreet means but a careful, okay, few careful questions here and there, and even she used to ask few questions. This way she picked up various small details. In that manner she used to collect many small details about riding bus. So in this way she picked up various small details about the bus journey. The town was 6 miles from her village. Okay, now what she has collected about the town to which the bus goes is 6 miles away from her village. The fare was 30 paise one way. Okay, one way it would take 30 paise, which is almost nothing at all. That 30 paise is nothing at all. She heard one well-dressed man say, but to Bali, who scarcely means but hardly, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to next. Okay, but Bali has listened. Bali has heard one wise man used to tell that for the people who earn it quite difficultly, okay, for them it is really this money, the 30 paise also means a lot. So who scarcely saw that much money from one month to next. It seemed a fortune. Fortune means very much money. Okay, and this is very much money for the people like that. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes it takes. Okay, how many miles it is? 6 miles. How much it cost? 30 paise, and it takes 45 minutes. Okay, one way journey. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, then if she reached to the town and if she would pay another 30 paise, then it would return her back to the village. So in that manner, how many paises? 30 plus 30, 60 paise she needs. Okay, so on reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she would return home on the same bus. Okay, by that same bus she would return home. This meant that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus. Okay, in that manner she would take that 1 o'clock afternoon bus. That afternoon bus she would go to the town, and after about 45 minutes she would be reaching there, and then it would take another 45 minutes to come back to her home by bus. So this meant that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at 1:45. Okay, she would reach there at 1:45 and be back home by 2:45. Okay, 15 minutes break. So in that manner she would be reaching in at the time 2:45. On and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. So in that manner she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned, planned properly about going and coming to the village once again. In that manner she is going to fulfill her wish. She is going to fulfill her desire of riding bus. Okay, so that is part 1.